Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. So, before I get into this video, the reason that I feel like I'm qualified to talk about this is because I've been a really skinny guy for like most of my life, and up until recently, like the past 4 months, I actually started taking like my fitness goals really seriously, or more seriously than I have been. And I've been able to bulk up about 15 pounds in the span of 4 months. So, take that as you will. I'm just here to give some advice that has helped me. So the first thing is that you really want to be clear on your end result for whatever fitness goal it is or health related goal, whatever. Like what endpoint do you want to arrive at? Because a big reason that a lot of people like don't make progress or don't achieve their goals is because they're not actually clear about where they actually want to end up. So get clear about okay, what actual like end result do I want? And then find a way to like track your progress or like measure your progress towards this. So say for example, a lot of people's like fitness goals, like if you're a skinny guy, you may want to like bulk up a lot, or if you're like really big, you may want to lose a lot of weight. The thing is like a way to measure that, okay, just like measure your weight on a scale every morning. That's a good way to measure that. If it's something else, like I don't fucking know. Just find a way to measure your progress towards that goal because it's going to take you from just like thinking that you're making progress and thinking that you're doing good to actually like knowing for a fact, okay, I can look at these data points and say, okay, I have gotten better or I have gotten close to my goal or I've not gotten closer to my goal. And by constantly being able to like see those measurements and like see your progress towards it, it's going to help you to like optimize whatever your routine is so you can get to your goal faster than you normally would. Another thing is that you want to like do the things that get you closer to those goals and like get rid of the things in your life that are like taking you away from that goal. I know for me, like one of the big things that I had to like get rid of in my life to like achieve the goal to bulking up a lot is I had to stop like doing so much cardio like almost every day. Like I fucking love jogging around and running. Um, it's not something that like I can't do. It's just like I know, okay, I can't do this while I'm bulking up because I'm gonna burn a lot of calories. I can do this on a cut, and that's completely fine because that's a different thing. But while I'm bulking, I probably shouldn't be doing that much cardio. I probably shouldn't be moving around so much. I should just like do the workouts, get hypertrophy, build the muscle, and then I can jog around if I want to cut. Um, yeah, get rid of the things that are kind of like taking you away from making progress towards that goals. And these can like be things that are considered good, but just for your specific goal, they aren't like conducive. So hope you understand what I mean by that. And obviously, another part is you want to increase the amount of things that you're doing that get you closer to that goal because that's going to help you to accelerate faster than a lot of like the other people, like say your competition. Um, I'm sure that there's a lot of guys out there who like want to bulk up, but I have an advantage in some ways because, you know, I can allocate more time to like eating. I can allocate more time to working out because I'm in college. I don't have that many responsibilities. So take advantage of whatever situation you're in. Try and just optimize to the best of your abilities to get closer to your goal. Yeah. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If it didn't help you, dislike it. Uh, Helpful feedback. Other than that, though, have a good rest of your day. Peace out.